Congratulations. You're the winner. Here's a $2 raise at your job. Instead of fries, we're loving to see you on the register.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
Being shot at by the police in that parking lot, getting taken to jail, getting raided in that parking lot, to actually owning that building. I remember the owner, the Master Burger, used to tell us he basically wouldn't allow the members of the community to hang out at all. He even removed the seats so people had to order they shouldn't go. I remember that being young, like feeling like, how dare you? And now he's our tenant. He pay us rent every month.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. I'm about to do some priest work for this one. What up, neighborhood Nip? We are living in this realm and reality for a purpose. We have a purpose. Everyone's journey is different. Everybody's path is going to look different. We're all not going to live to 100 and have the quote-unquote fairy tale life. We chose our path, and we have our destiny. We're placed in this existence under ignorance. Who are we truly? That amnesia effect. Some of us forgot. Some of us forgot why we came to this realm. Maybe you came back to learn about family. Maybe you came back to help people get out this realm and the astral realm's continuous recycling of stuck beings. Because, they still think this is real. Maybe you came to learn about the mystery of crawfish and why it's so good. Yes, your purpose could be that small. But eventually, whether we live out our purpose or not, you'll be transitioning. And even in your transformation to the astral realm, your physical death can bring out light to this world. Energy. Remember that the astral world is still part of this illusion. And just like them zodiac signs that rule over the masses, it's not real. You are a creator. You are a chaotic being. Your own universe. Let me play devil's advocate for a second. What if Nip didn't go? What if he still was here playing out his human role? It was his time, and his legacy lives on as an iconic god. Think about it. How much power did he just release? How much power did he just release when he transitioned? Let's do the butterfly effect. The phenomenon whereby a minute localized change in a complex system can have large effects elsewhere. Go check out the movie The Mirage on Netflix. The fight of a butterfly can be very cruel in a place and time that allows for change. His death is creating life, waking up some new chaotic beings to their light. 2020 is here, and well, I can see clearly now the 2020 vision. Everything happens for a reason. Things happen that we don't quite understand at the time. But that happening and that set energy is coming to fuel something new. Bring the hero out of you. Nipsey Hussle's transitioning was spiritual in so many different lights. It doesn't matter if a zombie suck a nigga shitty cuz killed him. This is an illusion. And in an illusion, everything is fact. It's just your perception. What does saying it was gang related have to do with the energy? That's your human fact. I'm not talking to humans. I'm talking to the gods. Chaos beings. Chaos beings that know there is power power moves that happen for a purpose. What spoke to you when it first happened? What reigned supreme in your being when you heard the news? Shh. Listen. Can you hear that? That's that part of you that is listening to what the spiritual message is saying. What the energy is bringing. Yeah, I was hurt. When I first heard the news, I was confused and wanted answers like the next man. I had to step outside my human and come into my chaos mind. Nipsey's death brings heightened awareness to Savi's message. Nip's death brings enlightenment to a black man's powerful business acumen. That Osirian energy. To all you new detectives that's figuring out who murdered Nip, congratulations. You're the winner. Here's a $2 raise at your job. Instead of fries, we're loving to see you on the register. Look, y'all most likely can't hear this message. When you're in automation and automaton, that's okay. I'm not talking to y'all. I can care less about why, how, and who killed them. I don't talk to mind control zombies. I play with them. To the zombies, keep logically thinking this out. Thinking about everything that way. I'm talking about the energy. How this energy is going to impact your life. To my chaos beings, this is a glorious time. Just like I said in my last video, this brings the vision clearer. 2020 is right around the corner. We're living in the quickening now, and our journeys are all magical. The concentration goes now to understanding the work and how it impacts your journey from here on out. Motivation 101 is the Nip energy. Well, that energy is permeating our being right now. It's for all the chaos beings who know how to transmute this energy. A lot of time, the study and work could get real robotic and bland. Same meditation, same style ritual, spiritual baths with the same bath bomb. Well, this Nip energy just gave us a boost, gave us a burst. This burst of energy gives us a recharge or a reboot. And to the people just stepping into consciousness, a new adventure of learning and applying. Nip was Hustlenomics 101. Fiery energy. Great, marvelous, magnificent times for my magicians. We don't die, we multiply. Take advantage. Dream wise.